Are you looking to add another tool to your kit to help your clients achieve their goal of having increased mobility and being pain-free? And do you want to do this in the quickest, most effective way possible without having to refer that client out? Then Rossiter Stretching is the perfect addition to your toolkit. As a Pilates instructor who would often refer clients out to other modalities, becoming a Rossiter stretching coach has transformed my business. And my passion now is to spread the word of this amazing technique and make it more readily available to those who really need it. Rossiter Stretching is a series of powerful and effective two-person pin and stretch release techniques for addressing structural pain and restriction of movement at its source. Tight connective tissue is the source of stress, immobility, and pain in the body. Rossiter Stretching quickly restores connective tissue to its natural, healthy state. Strategic anchoring of tissue with the coach's foot, while the client executes specific motions, and simultaneously the entire body is in a locked position. This creates a tensile framework body-wide, which delivers more extensive and longer-lasting results. The client is fully in charge of the session, and results are generally instantaneous and profound.